All right, we're going to do section 2.1, the tangent ratio. This is example 4. And the question says, a support cable is anchored to the ground 5 meters from the base of a telephone pole. The cable is 19 meters long. It is attached near the top of the pole. What angle to the nearest degree does the cable make with the ground? So the first thing we need to do is make a picture. So there's my telephone pole. There's my support cable. There's my ground. And it says the cable is 19 meters. And it's attached near the top of the pole. There we go. And then what angle? Oh, it's anchored to the ground 5 meters from the base of the pole. So there's the anchor point. There's the base of the pole. That means this is 5 meters. And they're asking what angle does the cable make with the ground? I'm going to call that angle A. Okay, so all we know how to do right now is tangents. So let's do tangents. So tangent of A equals opposite over adjacent. So tangent of A equals opposite of A. Uh-oh, we don't know what that is. So we're going to have to figure that out, and the way to do that is to use Pythagoras. To find the opposite. And I'm putting opposite in quotes because it's only opposite A. So if I call that one's A, I'm going to call this one B, I'm going to call this C. That makes this little c, this little b, this little a. And I can go a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I can plug in my numbers. A squared, A I don't know what it is. B is 5, that equals 19 squared. I can make that a squared plus 25 equals 361. And then I can get my magic algebra pen and subtract 25 from this side and subtract 25 from that side. Those ones cancel off. And I am left with a squared equals 336. And then I get my magic algebra pen and I square root the left side. And if I square root the left side, I have to square root the right side. And I'm left with a equals 18.33. So now I can take that number and punt it back over here to do this. So my tan A equals 18.33 over 5. And then I get my calculator. My calculator tells me that tan A equals 3.666. And then I get my magic algebra pen, and I tan to the minus 1 this side, and I tan to the minus 1 this side. And I am left then with A equals 74.74. And the question asked me to round it to the nearest whole degree, so the answer is the angle of inclination is 75 degrees.